Do, do, do. Hello my lovely artists, welcome back to my class and let's dive into digital watercolor art and paint all together cute fireflies into different watercolor styles. Get ready to learn a couple of new sketching techniques for Procreate and the most important, how to create characters step by step from image in our head to finalized sketch. My name is Inga Yun and I am here to show you that digital watercolor is magical and you can create this magical world with these cute characters, lovely whimsical creature, nature with your own hand. For that we will need Procreate and a little bit of inspiration. In this class I will start by telling you where to find tools for the class and how to get ready for painting process, like creating watercolor paper in Procreate and exploring all the layers that we have. By the way, I prepared for you source where you can get some inspirational photos too. Then we will prepare sketches in two ways, fast and simple and more detailed one. I will show you the way how to draw from the reference picture and also how to draw without reference photo at all. And finally, we will move to painting process. I will show you how to add colors, shades and highlights to our art from the sketch to detailed illustration. So we will make our painting process a little bit advanced. In this class we will explore the blending layer modes a lot. And the most important, in the end of my class you will pick digital watercolor style that suits you best. By the end of my class you will be able to create cute characters, fireflies particularly in Procreate, using different watercolor techniques in fun and simple way. During the course I will slowly move you throughout my workflow, explaining every step and describing Procreate features and watercolor painting techniques. I think this is important. So what you will learn in the end of my class? First of all, how to paint in watercolor style digitally in Procreate. We will try to reach this traditional watercolor look. How to create watercolor paper texture. How to sketch in two different ways. How to draw sketch from reference picture and without it. How to create character step by step from image in our head to finalized sketch. How to paint in loose watercolor style, how to paint in more detailed way, reach this traditional watercolor look, how to show the glow, how to paint background in different ways, watery and opaque looks, how to use layers, blending modes, and how to add shades and color variations to your art. So what you will need for our today's class? As you know, I will use Procreate with iPad and Apple Pencil. You also can use Procreate or some other drawing pads or just regular watercolor paper and paints. That would be enough. So about course resources, as a bonus, I will share with you all the digital tools that were mentioned in a class. Texture paper, custom brush set, color palette, my own pictures that I created. So who is this class for? The class is great for intermediate level and for advanced Procreate users, for those who is interested in digital watercolor art, cute characters and magical illustrations. And one more thing that I want to mention, your opinion and feedback are super important to me. So feel free to tell me what you think about the class in discussion or review section. I will be glad to reply to you. My dear art fellows, I can't wait to start this class and definitely I can't wait to see what you upload to project section. So let's not hesitate, grab your iPad with Apple Pencil and let's paint together.